These five Toyotas are not just reliable, they are almost unbreakable. Some have crossed close to 1 million kilometers without major repairs. Each one proves that certain vehicles are built to last decades under real-world conditions. Watch closely to see why number 1 stands apart. Number 5 is the Toyota Camry. At first glance, the Camry looks like a simple family car. It is not flashy, it does not have overcomplicated features, and it does not draw attention. But that is exactly why it lasts. The Camry is built to handle daily driving without breaking down. People use it for commuting to work, school runs, running errands, and even long-distance trips. The engines, like the 2ARFE and 2GRFE, are strong and durable. Some Camrys have crossed 400,000 kilometers while still performing normally. Every part, from brakes to suspension, is made to be durable and easy to repair. If something needs replacement, the parts are available everywhere, and fixing them is simple. The Camry has been part of taxi fleets and corporate car fleets, which shows how well it performs under continuous use. Roads in cities can be rough, traffic can be heavy, and people may drive aggressively at times, but the Camry continues to perform. This is why it is still used widely today and continues to be a popular choice for people who need a car that will last for years without constant repairs. For someone looking for a car that will survive decades of driving with minimal hassle, the Camry is a practical choice. Its simple design, durable engine, and widely available parts make it easy to maintain. Even with heavy use, it continues to perform without major issues. This makes the Camry not only reliable but also affordable in the long run. Number 4 is the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla has been one of the most popular compact cars in the world for decades. Its reputation for longevity is well earned. Engines like the 4AFE and 1ZZFE regularly reach 400,000 to 500,000 kilometers. This is possible because the Corolla uses simple, efficient engineering. It does not have complex electronics that fail often. Suspension, brakes, and transmission are all made to last under heavy use. People drive Corollas in cities, on highways, and in rural areas, and they continue to run for years. Many Corollas are used in taxi fleets and for commercial purposes, which shows how much stress they can handle. Even when roads are rough or driving conditions are tough, the Corolla continues to operate reliably. Parts are available almost everywhere, which makes maintenance easy and affordable. This means there is no need to spend hours searching for parts or paying high prices for repairs. Daily commuting, school runs, deliveries, and long trips can all be done with confidence. The Corolla is strong, which is why it has been trusted for decades. Its combination of durability, availability, and affordability makes it one of the best choices for anyone who wants a car that will last for years without problems. Number 3 is the Toyota 4Runner. The 4Runner is a mid-size SUV that is built on a body-on-frame platform, similar to a truck. This gives it extra strength and durability, especially under heavy loads or on rough roads. The engine, usually the 1GR-FE V6, is strong enough to exceed 300,000 kilometers without major problems. The suspension and drivetrain are built to withstand heavy use, including off-road driving, long trips, and carrying heavy cargo. The 4Runner is used by families, travelers, and even businesses that require a reliable vehicle. Roads can be unpredictable, traffic can be dense, and loads can be heavy, but the 4Runner continues to operate efficiently. Its design focuses on durability rather than flashy features, which means fewer things can fail. People can rely on it for family trips, hauling equipment, or long-distance travel without worrying about breakdowns. The strong frame and proven engine make it one of the most dependable SUVs. Even after years of use, it continues to perform, which is why it remains a trusted choice around the world. The 4Runner is a vehicle that is built to handle real-life challenges while remaining functional for decades. Its combination of truck-like strength and proven engine performance makes it a standout choice for anyone who needs a reliable SUV. Number 2 is the Toyota Hilux. This pickup truck is famous around the world for being almost impossible to break. It is used in the harshest conditions imaginable, from deserts to remote mountains and rough rural roads where other vehicles fail quickly. The engines and transmissions are built to last over 500,000 kilometers, even under constant heavy use. Roads can be uneven, potholes common, and loads often heavy, but the Hilux continues to operate without major issues. The frame is overbuilt, the suspension is strong, and the drivetrain is engineered to handle extreme stress. Every part is designed to survive repeated strain and heavy use. Unlike many modern vehicles, the Hilux does not rely on complex electronics that can fail unexpectedly. This simplicity is a key reason why it remains reliable over decades. Replacement parts are widely available around the world, making repairs straightforward and affordable. The Hilux is used in multiple ways. It can carry heavy loads for construction or farming, transport goods over long distances, or navigate tough off-road terrain. Even with continuous use in demanding conditions, the Hilux continues to perform reliably. People who need a vehicle that will not stop functioning for years prefer this truck because it can handle tasks that would destroy most other vehicles. Some Hilux models have been recorded traveling well over 500,000 kilometers without major engine rebuilds. That is more than most cars ever reach in a lifetime. Vehicles like this are often used daily, carrying heavy loads, driving on rough roads, and covering thousands of kilometers every month. Even after decades of continuous use, the Hilux continues to perform efficiently. The Hilux does not require constant attention or special care to remain functional. It can endure daily use, heavy loads, and extreme driving conditions without showing signs of serious wear. In summary, the Toyota Hilux is a pickup built for longevity. It survives conditions that would destroy most other vehicles. It can carry heavy loads, drive long distances, navigate rough roads, and endure extreme climates. With engines capable of exceeding 500,000 kilometers, overbuilt suspension, and a strong frame, the Hilux proves that certain vehicles are built not just for transportation, but for decades of reliable service. Its combination of durability, simplicity, and real-world performance places it firmly as number 2 on this list of vehicles that will last for decades. Number 1 is the Toyota Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser is widely regarded as one of the most durable vehicles ever produced. It is used in extreme conditions all over the world, including deserts, mountains, remote roads, and harsh climates. The engine, chassis, suspension, and drivetrain are all designed to last for decades under heavy use. Some Land Cruisers have crossed close to 1,000,000 kilometers while still performing reliably. The body-on-frame construction, strong suspension, and robust engine allow it to operate under conditions where most vehicles would fail. The Land Cruiser is used for long trips, carrying heavy loads, off-road travel, and daily commuting in areas where roads can be unpredictable. Every part, from brakes to drivetrain components, is designed for durability and longevity. Its history shows that it can operate for decades without major failures. Roads may be rough, driving conditions may be harsh, but the Land Cruiser continues to perform. Its combination of engineering, strength, and simplicity makes it the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a vehicle that will last for decades. The Land Cruiser demonstrates that long-term reliability is possible when every component is designed for durability. It continues to be one of the most respected and trusted vehicles in the world, and its performance over time makes it the number 1 choice for anyone who prioritizes long-term durability and reliability.